Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial in Maya. In this particular tutorial, I'll be going over creating opacity maps in Arnold. I'm also going to go over a scene I've created earlier. It's an alien that you see here. And what I'm interested in here is actually the opacity maps, as I mentioned earlier. Let me just show you this particular scene and how it was set up. So here I have an alien character. He's animated. He he's just arrived, as you can see, and basically there's this wrecking ball and a hexagon alien style wall. If I just scrub through here, you can see, there we go. I'm inside Arnold, and this is an image I've taken of the wrecking ball halfway through the wall. Okay, hexagon pieces flying everywhere. Okay. By the way, I cannot show you a completed animation at this time because being the fact that I'm recording this video, it's just too intensive on a CPU. Okay, so I'll show you one other image of the character. Here we go, and here he is. Okay, leaping into the air after he smashed the wall down. Okay, so I'm just going to stop this. Here it is. Now what I'm interested in here is the actual wrecking ball. At the moment it's a solid piece. Okay, I'm just going to pull that back to the first frame. I pull into the wrecking ball itself, so I'm interested in creating a transparency through the wrecking ball so you can actually look through it. Now to achieve this in Arnold we need to go into the hypershade. So I'll do that first. And this is my original wrecking ball texture. I'll just graph that so you can see. All that I have here at the moment is a standard AI shader and a bump map applied to it. Okay, and a normal running through the bump map. Normally a bump map you just use a black and white image. So let's have a look at adding that transparency. Now transparency, you need to come down into your shader, into the geometry tab, open that up, and under opacity, now this is where you'll add it, geometry, opacity. So I'll click the little icon here and I'll search for my file that I'll use. So I'm interested in a black and white file. Okay, so I go into my default images folder. And inside here I've already saved an image that I got from the internet, this one here. Okay, it's a black and white image, and I'll open that. Okay, so my shader ball now shows the image. Okay, I'll just come back out. Here we go. So it's been applied. Great. Now to actually view this, what we need to do is actually if you wish to view it inside your viewport, go into your renderer viewport 2.0 settings and change transparency algorithm from object sorting to alpha cut, and now you should be able to view it. And select that. Okay, there it is. I hit number 6 on the keyboard to be able to view it, and now it's a transparent image. Okay, now one more thing that you'll need to do, because if I simply come up now and do a render of this in my scene, let's have a look. Arnold renderer. If I hit render now, it still has not passed through. So what do I need to do there? Well, start first, I'll just turn these off. Okay, so I need to change the opaqueness of this. So to achieve that, I'll select the ball and under Arnold tab, make sure to turn opaque off. Okay, that's the trick. You need to select your object, your asset, and turn opaque off in the Arnold tab. That's important. Okay. And then you should be able to render it out and you should be able to view it properly. Let's have a look. Close that. We'll go back to the start and we'll actually, under camera 1, play it through a little bit and stop. Say there. And we'll see what we get. Looks like we still have A and B turned on. Yep. Now it's rendering. Okay. So now I've got the transparency appearing through the object, which in my case is a wrecking ball. Okay guys, thanks for watching.